Hey guys, this is Johnny here, and today we have another video for you guys. Today is a different kind of video. It's about my motorcycle. I got a new exhaust for it, and it's from AliExpress, but it's the two they come in this side, two titanium exhaust. I haven't got it yet. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, but today I want to start disassembling the exhaust. So when tomorrow it arrives, I just have to slap it in and ride the bike. But right now I'm just gonna start it for you guys so you guys can hear the difference between this exhaust and the other one. And yeah, I'm gonna do a cold start. I haven't turned it on in a couple days, but I'm super excited for a new exhaust because this is stock exhaust and stock mufflers, and it still has the catalytic converter in it, so it's not loud or anything. But I'm super excited for the new exhaust. But let me get my keys. I will start it up so you guys can hear it, and then I start disassembling it. You guys can hear it's super quiet. It's not very loud, but I love this bike. I had it for the past 2 years. It's a 2018 Triumph Bobber, and I barely ride it, to be honest. I just haven't got time to ride it. But now I work locally, so I want to start driving it to work or riding it to work. But it's too quiet for me. Like you guys hear, that cold start, like it's barely any loud. But yeah, I mean it's nice to ride. Yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up and do a couple of reps for you guys, and then I'll start disassembling it. Alright, as you guys heard from that clip, the bike is not loud at all. So I'm gonna start getting some tools and start disassembling it. I never work on bikes, to be honest. This is my second bike. My first bike was a CBR 600, and I rode it maybe for like 8 months, 10 months, and I decided to sell it. Never worked on it. I just did like loop the chain and stuff like that, but nothing, no exhaust or anything. I didn't really have like exhaust when I got it, but this one is completely stock when I got it. So now I start disassembling the exhaust. Alright guys, as you guys saw, I just removed the exhaust both sides. Now I have to remove the catalytic converter. It's right there. I was reading that it was a pain in the ass to remove it, so I'm not gonna do the time lapse on that. I'm just gonna try to take it out. But yeah, I will get back to you guys tomorrow once the exhaust arrive, and then we can start putting it on. I'm super excited for this thing to be a little bit louder. This was way too quiet. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well guys, I literally just got back from work. Literally I just got out of the car, went straight to get my package. But yeah, let's open it and see how it looks. The package is super light compared to the biggest sauce that I just took out. But yeah, I'm opening this package and let's see. So I just opened it and oh my god, it looks so good. And it's super light. Like it's so light. I don't know, like I'll say each pipe weight less than a pound or like a pound or two at most. But it's super light. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic and then show you guys better. But it comes with all these brackets and stuff, so gotta figure out where they go. But yeah, let me take out the wrapper. And oh my god guys, this looks amazing. It looks so good. Cannot wait to install it. So I'm gonna move my bike to the middle. I'll probably do another time lapse putting it on. I don't know, it looks pretty simple to put on. Honestly, it looks pretty straightforward. But man, like for me, I got AliExpress a sauce. It looks pretty good. It even have a silencer. I don't know why when you put a silencer when you do this sauce. Like, so I'm taking the silencer out. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna put a little time lapse and then I'll start it. Um, I heard that we have to let it reprogram the ECU. So I think it's like 12 minutes after the fan turns on. So I will do a cold start and then let it sit until the fan turns on and then leave it 12 more minutes and then do some rev for you guys. Well, guys, I've been here for the past hour trying to put one pipe. This pipe right here, it will not align, and I finally like gave up, started hammering it, didn't work. So I laid it on the floor. I stepped a little bit on this pipe right here. It was like I don't know, like 3 centimeters off, but like I stepped on it like really lightly, and finally went in. So I'm gonna time lapse the rest of the process. The rest of the process should be pretty easy, pretty simple, hopefully. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm finally done and the exhaust looks amazing. It looks so good in the motorcycle. It was a pain in the ass. The fitment wasn't the best. I had to like step on this thing like I said earlier. But yeah, I mean we're ready to start it up. I did have to take the whole thing out again and because the horn I didn't put it back in and it was a pain. It wouldn't fit and I had to spend another like 30 minutes after the last clip that I showed you guys. But we are already ready to start this up, so I'm gonna send you guys down and let's start the bike. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's been around 15 minutes since I started, so let's see how it sounds. Man, it just sounds good. Alright guys, so in that last clip I barely hit like 3400 RPMs, so it's pretty loud, but man, I don't regret not one bit. I cannot wait to ride it. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna ride it today because it rained. But yeah, I cannot wait to ride it. But you can see the color changes already on the pipes. It looks so good. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is a short video for you guys. Something different. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.